Hey guys, how's it going? How to redeem Hamster Kombat coins. So basically, once you earn the coins, you can stake their hamster tokens to earn rewards, or participate in farming activities to contribute to the liquidity of the platform. So basically, after you get the hamster coins, you can refer to the coin market cap, to the markets section to find the list of a centralized exchange coin is listed on. So basically, you can use the hamster combat coin to basically, you know, earn rewards or participate in activities to earn more, or you can transfer it to your wallet in order to basically invest in it and then getting a lot of profits. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.